This week posting flyers and say they haven't given up hope and believe both are still alive. Family members say the couple had a violent domestic dispute that led to Garcia pressing charges against her common-law husband for assault. Police confirmed they had a warrant for Hernandez's arrest and that he sent alarming text messages to his family early Tuesday morning. In addition to searching the lake, police also have search warrants for computers and electronic devices.
We believe that there might be some damage involved so anything is possible. But we just want to find them. Hopefully they're going to
Searches did not turn up anything. Investigators will be back out of the lake tomorrow to search. Rich.
We thank you. A nurse injured in an elevator accident last year in Fort Worth is suing the elevator service.
Big ass phone.
And dropped 3 floors in a matter of seconds. The civil suit says she was seriously injured when the elevator